Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Realme 12 Pro and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. First step to do that is opening application which support it. Something would have more information than you have on the one side of screen, where you can scroll something. Where we are on it, maybe in your Google Chrome website, we press volume down and power key together at the same time as to make normal screenshot. We open it again. And after that we press on scroll. And now we must wait a second. And now when we tap, we stop scrolling, or we can add manually what we need. After we add all, we click done. And after processing, we have it in our gallery right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye!